Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today, another in our series of big game party food. Today, we're going to make a cheesy bacon ale dip in the Instant Pot. Oh, it's going to be crazy easy. You're going to love it. So, first thing you do is 2 packages of softened cream cheese go in. So for you folks at home keeping score, that's 16 ounces. Then a 1/4 cup of sour cream. 1½ tablespoons of Dijon mustard. About a teaspoon of garlic powder. We're using Spiceology's Vampire Killer. Oh, I freaking love this stuff. We're gonna give that a quick stir and get it combined. Next, we're adding 1 pound of cooked and crumbled bacon. I cooked this earlier. And 12 ounces of beer. I'm gonna mispronounce it. I do this all the time and they make fun of me in the house. Hefeweizen? Oh, I'm using a German beer. 1 cup. And as always, loyal viewers, all of the ingredients, their amounts, and directions are down below in the description section. Check it out. I will add, I did reserve a couple tablespoons of the bacon crumbles for presentation later. So, in with my cup of beer. I'm going to give this another good stir. Beer, bacon, and garlic, already an incredible aroma. Now we're going to shut the lid, lock it, set it to high pressure, 5 minutes. We're going to set it with a quick release. All right, that's going to take it about 20 minutes to come to pressure, then cook for 5 minutes. We'll see you again when we're ready for the next step. All right, we're done with the first phase. Now we are going to turn our pressure cooker back on, get it on sear, medium. We're going to stir in our cheese and our heavy cream. And we're going to continue stirring until we have that all melted and mixed together. So I'm going to do some stirring. I'm going to get some pretzels made up. And when you see us again, we'll get some judgment. See you then. Alrighty, the dip is done. Greg likes pretzels. Greg likes cheese. So Greg's going to judge us. All right, got your little piece of pretzel there.
Greg does like pretzels and cheese. That's really good. The bacon gives some texture to it.
Thought that was the exact right beer to use in it too.
Yeah, perfect beer cheese. Yeah, really good.
All right, there you go. Hey, minimal ingredients. It was easy, quick, perfect for the big game. Thank you so much for joining us. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.